love working at Lake State. It's the best job I ever had. I've had plenty of them.
I love working at Lake State Cleaning. It's really awesome.
I've been here about 3 years, and I don't really plan on going anywhere anytime soon.
I love the physical aspect of the work, getting to meet a lot of different people, and the family environment is awesome.
We have a real good life-family balance. They really prioritize our personal lives, really takes care of us as employees.
I've worked at a lot of factories before this, so this has been a huge step up in my career, and just they treat me very well. Benefits are you get to work outside, you get paid on a competitive rate.
It's a new situation every single day, and it's always a different challenge, and it's always fun.
So they make moving up in the company pretty straightforward. You get a checklist, and if you complete it, you move up. It's as simple as that. I really love that part of the company.
More than anything, I like the guys that I work with day in and day out.
I would, of course, recommend working at Lake State Cleaning.
I'd recommend this job to anyone. Absolutely. If I knew anybody that was looking for a job, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend Lake State. And anybody else as well, anybody who's thinking about it, has any hesitations, I'd say go for it.
I'm proud to be a Lake State Cleaning employee.
Proud to be an employee of Lake State Cleaning.
I am proud to be a Lake State Cleaning employee.